Hello student, this is the last topic of optical isomerism and this is also last topic of full isomerism. Okay, now what is the last topic? Optical isomerism in allenes. You know allenes, there is a conjugative double bond. Spiro, you know very well, this is the spiro, two cyclic structure attached with one carbon, है ना? And now this is biphenyl. Biphenyl means two phenyl structure is there. There is a biphenyl. Okay, you know phenyl, when benzene replace one hydrogen, then the formation of C6H5 is known as phenyl. Okay, now in this case, you know this is a allene structure, so there is a how many double bond? There is a two double bond. It means this is even structure of allene. Yeah, there is a even double bond. Clear. So first you consider कि how many double bond is there. This is even structure is there, even double bond. Okay, so first you check कि optical isomerism, if all the substituents are different, it means disymmetric is there, then the compound definitely show optical isomerism. Okay, now in this case you know very well the first double bond in xy plane and the second double bond in yz plane, means one for planar and one for perpendicular. Okay, now in this case, okay, just you check, in this case there is a two plane, xy plane it means this type and yz plane it means that type. Okay, that type. Okay, so now first you cut on that side, just you cut from that side. There is a two hydrogen, one for front and one for back. The similar group is there. Suppose you cut on that side. So again there is one hydrogen front side and one hydrogen back side. So there is a this is one plane of symmetry and this is again one plane of symmetry. There is a two plane of symmetry. So plane of symmetry is there. So you know very well this is optical inactive. Clear 100%? Okay, देखो you cut from that side. This is xy plane. This is this xy plane of this and yz plane this, and xy plane there is a two substituent like this, and yz plane there is a two substituent like this. So you cut from this substituent on mid side, so there is one hydrogen on top side and one hydrogen back side. The similar group is there, it means there is 100% plane of symmetry. Again you cut from mid side, so again one hydrogen and one hydrogen, there is a similar group is there. So again there is a plane of symmetry, there is a two plane of symmetry, it means optical inactive. Now check, again there is a two double bond, even double bond is there. So first you check, you cut from that side, this is xy plane, so there is no similar group. Top side is hydrogen and back side is chlorine. This is wedge or this is dash. Suppose you suppose you want ki this is wedge and this is depends upon the structure. Okay, now suppose this is a wedge line and this is dash line. So just you cut from that side, the one hydrogen and one chlorine, there is a different group, but this is in this case you know this is a yz plane. So you cut from that side, the one hydrogen and one hydrogen same group is there, it means one plane of symmetry. There is a two plane of symmetry because both groups are same, but in this case there is a different and there is a same. So one plane of symmetry, so again optical inactive. Okay, now this rule, even number of pi bond does not show geometrical isomerism. In my last geometrical isomerism, if even number of double bond is there, if even number of pi bond is there, there is no geometrical isomerism, but odd number of double bond is there, it means definitely this is geometrical isomerism. But in this case there is a optical isomerism. So even number of double bond or pi bond group on both terminal carbon should be different. Agar there is a different group, yeah, then the compound definitely show optical isomerism. Okay, now again this is xy plane, this is yz plane. So you cut from that side, so again hydrogen and chlorine is different. You cut from that side, again hydrogen and chlorine is different. It means no plane of symmetry, zero plane of symmetry. The compound is 100% optical active, it means optical isomerism. Clear? And that type of compound definitely does not show also geometrical isomerism. No cis trans. Geometrical isomerism, cis trans. Okay, now in this case again there is a fourth example. In this case there is a XY, there is a 4 consecutive double bond, again even number of ring is there. But in this case this is XY plane, yeah, XY YZ XY YZ. Now just check, this is very important example. 1 2 3 4, yeah, 1 2 3 4. In this case there is a even number of ring, again even number of ring, but groups are different. But in this case, just you learn that this is very important example. If even number of ring 1 2 3 4, but the plane is XY and YZ, XY and YZ, XY and YZ, XY and the last one is YZ. So it means the groups are different. Again there is a CS3 group is there. देखो, so you cut from that side, so there is a different group. You cut from that side, so again CS3 is similar. So this is one plane of symmetry. This is optical inactive. Clear? Now in this case again there is a even number of ring, but substituents are different. So you cut from that side, so one for chlorine, one for hydrogen is different, one for CS3 and one for C2H5 is different. So there is no plane of symmetry. It means this is optical active. Clear? Now suppose you have odd number of double bond. So just you learn कि odd number of double bond does not show optical activity, optical isomerism if the substituents is different. If substituent is different also, this type of allene does not show optical isomerism या optical active. Just you count कि how many double bond, 1 2 3. This is odd number of double bond. So XY same plane is there. So just you cut from that side, so there is a planar. Same plane is there. It means there is no optical isomerism. So same plane, so just you count, cut from that side, so one plane of symmetry is there. Okay, so optical inactive. In the case of odd number of double bond, so there is no plane, there is no optical active. Clear? Now again just check both side of chlorine. There is a even number of ring, even number of double bond. So one chlorine same side, one chlorine, that there is a 2 plane of symmetry. It means optical inactive. There is again check, there is a X, there is a 3 double bond. It means the same plane is there. So odd number of double bond, so definitely it is optical inactive. Just you check 1 2 3 4. There is a 4 double bond, but this 4 double bond, this is even number of ring and substituents are different. It means optical active. Now again the 1 2 3 4 number of double bond, so just check. In this case there is a different group, so there is no plane of symmetry, but in this case there is a plane of symmetry. This means this is optical inactive. Okay, so you know very well spiro and allenes are same. So one double bond means one ring. The same for this thing, same for this. So देखो, just you check XY and YZ. So one for XY plane and one for YZ. यानी XY is a planar and YZ is a perpendicular for this. So there is again one plane of symmetry for that side. One hydrogen is same and one hydrogen same. There is a 2 plane of symmetry. It means optical inactive. So even number of ring, group on both terminal carbon should be different. If the terminal carbon have the substituents, if the देखो just check, group on both terminal carbon should be different. Should be different मतलब definitely different होना चाहिए in both terminal carbon. It means the compound is 100% optical isomerism and there is no plane of symmetry. But in this case there is a one plane of symmetry, one for hydrogen same, hydrogen same. There is a 2 plane of symmetry. It means there is a definitely 100% optical plane of symmetry. It means the compound is optical inactive. Okay, now again you check how many cyclic structure. So 1 2 3 4. So one cyclic means one double bond. So again same for allene. So XY and YZ, there is a different plane, but you check In this case there is a different group, but in this side, in this terminal carbon, there is the same hydrogen is there, so one plane of symmetry. Do you cut from that side, so one hydrogen on front side and one hydrogen on back side. ठीक है, तो it means there is a one plane of symmetry. The compound is optical inactive. Clear? Okay. Now again there is a 3 cyclic structure. So you know odd number of ring. If odd number, same as alene. If odd number of ring, there is no optical isomerism. So just you learn. Now again this is very important. So you know very well there is a cyclic, there is a double bond, there is cyclic, there is a double bond. So you know one cyclic structure is one double bond. There is a 2 double bond, there is a 3 double bond, there is a 4 double bond. Okay. So 4 मतलब even number of ring. So just you check substituent is different or not. So you cut from that side. So one hydrogen and one bromine is different. You cut from that side. One hydrogen and one chlorine is different. Okay. So in this case there is a different group. In this case there is a different group. In this, okay. So it means there is no plane of symmetry. The compound is 100% optical active. So this is a case of Spiro. And the last topic, biphenyl. Biphenyl, you know, there is a 2 cyclic, 2 benzene structure is there. So in this case, there is a plane of symmetry. There is a plane of symmetry. If no substituent is there, so it means there is 100% optical inactive. Okay. Now again, both are in same plane. XY, XY, because there is not connected with one carbon. There is a 2 carbon. Okay. Now in this case, if bulkier group is there, bulkier, you know, this is a bulkier group. So bulkier group is there. Okay, in this case there is a bulkier group. So you know COOH, COOH, NO2, and there is a tertiary methyl, है ना? So just you check कि in this case there is a ortho position. This is a para and this is ortho. This is para, this is ortho. This is para, this is ortho. This is para, this is ortho. So ortho position have bulkier group. So it means this is a non-planar. So bulkier group is there, so you know very well the repulsion is there. The repulsion is there, the 2 ring perpendicular arranged. मतलब one ring, there is a same plane. अभी क्या है, there is a, both are in same plane. But the bulkier group is there, so one plane is opposite in direction. देखो, both are in same plane. Just check my hand. Both are in same plane. देखो, both are in same plane. Suppose there is a 2 plane. One for this and one for this. So in this case there is a no bulkier group is there. So the both are in same plane. So one plane of symmetry for that side and one plane of symmetry for that side. Okay, now again there is a one bulkier group for in ortho position. One for that side, one for that side, and one. Okay. Now in this case, if bulkier group is there, so both repulsion is there. Bulkier group repulsion is there. So one cyclic structure, one phenyl structure just change in perpendicular form. Just change because more repulsion is there ना. तो the structure देखो लिखा भी हुआ है 2 ring perpendicular plane arrange. तो just the second ring, yeah, both the ring have the different shape because the bulkier group is there. So in this case bulkier group is there, the repulsion is there. Repulsion is there, it means just you cut because the same plane is there, so there is a plane of symmetry, but the arrangement is different. So there is no plane of symmetry. In this case there is a no plane of symmetry because one plane is XY and one plane is YZ because of repulsion. So it means there is a no center of symmetry. देखो, there is no plane of symmetry. In this case plane of symmetry because both plane are same, but in this case there is a repulsion, the structure is different. It means no plane of symmetry for that side in this side and no plane of symmetry for that side. So no plane of symmetry, bulkier group is there, so it means there is a 100% optical active. देखो, groups are different. Just you cut from that side, so one COOH is different, NO2 is different. If we cut from that side, group are different. It means optical active. Now the last example, again same bulkier group is there, so this is XY. So again, now first here these are XY plane, but bulkier group is there, so just change. This is XY and this is now YZ plane. Okay, the YZ plane. So again you check, you cut from that side, so there is a group different, but you cut from that side, so both group is same. It means there is a one plane of symmetry. The compound is optical inactive. Clear, student? This is a full explanation of optical isomerism. Now your isomerism chapter is finished. Okay, clear? Okay, student.